How to fix Microsoft Outlook password pop-up problems. So guys, there may be server issues, so I will show you the one by one, so and show you the major one, so you can 99% you can solve your problem. So as I told you, there is a server problem in Microsoft Outlook. If you got the pop-up with password, so when you enter right password, that also is show the pop-up. So what can you do? So there is a major reason, maybe your password has been updated, or maybe you have entered the wrong password, or maybe your password has been corrupted. So I'll show you one by one what you need to do. First, go to your search bar, window 10, and type here credential, and come to the credential manager. Okay, and here just click on Windows credential, and here you can see the option generic credential. Okay, so here you can see the option, just click on here, and you can see Microsoft account user. Okay, so this is your password and local computer. This is like your history, so you can remove it. You have to remove first one. Okay, just remove first one. You can also remove the second one. If you have more than one, you can remove one two. Just remove recently and come back Outlook and check it. Still, if you get the same pop-up, then there is a another method that you can follow. Go to the control panel. Under the control, switch to the small icon view by, and here you have to click on mail Microsoft Outlook. If you don't find this option, you can search from the search bar, just type the mail keywords, and this is option will become, just click on it. Now come to the email account, and here you can see the all email account. Just select the email, double click on it, or you can go to the change, and here you can check the incoming mail server, outgoing mail server, if you are using the your company email ID. And here you have to update the password. Just update the password, just click on remember and just click on next, so it will be differently differently connect. Okay, just hit the right password and click on next. But still, if you are getting the same problem, so maybe your Outlook asking for your app password. Okay, so app password is guys, so when you come to the Gmail, just open your Gmail or any other account which you have using. If you are using the Gmail, then you can open your Gmail account. Go to the setting first, go to the don't go to the setting, just log in with your account. Go to the manager Google account, then this your account will be open like this here. Now go to security and come down, and here you have to check your two-step verification. It should be on. Okay, so not should be on, maybe your two-step verification on. When you on this, you will get the another option which is app password below two-step verification. When you on this, I don't have enable my two-step verification that's why my app password option disabled. So when you on this, just check your two-step verification password on or not. If it is on, you will find the option called app password below the just below the two-step verification. Just click on app password, go there and select the mail. You have to generate the password for application, so you have to select the app which is mail. You have to select the mail, and after that you have to select your device. So if you are working Windows, so you have to select the computer or window, or there is a few device. You have to select your right one and just generate the password. Click on generate the password, and just copy the generated password, come to the Outlook, copy paste this password, and just sign in. So it is definitely work for you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.